So now I'm going to pretend that I just finished row 19. Your piece will of course look a little bit bigger. And to give you an idea of where we're going, what's going to end up happening if we take our piece and we fold it so that our slip stitch edges come together, we can start to see the shape of our bag. And let me bring in the full sample here so you can kind of get an idea. We've got the handle up here, and you can see how we've got these increases. We started along the edge here, and we're working from one handle around to the back. And each time we increase, which is creating this diagonal line here. And you can see when we fold it, that's where we're starting to head. For the next section, starting with row 20, we're going to create our flat bottom. And we're going to do that by eliminating the increase that we have been doing at our marked stitch. So for row 20, we turn our work, chain 1, and continue working that same pattern that we've been doing up till this point. Your 6 slip stitches, and then single crochets up to your marked stitch. Once you get to that marked stitch, you're going to go ahead and remove the stitch marker. And rather than placing 3 single crochets in that stitch, you'll only put 1. We're not adding any stitches here. And then I want you to place that stitch marker in that stitch that you just made. We still want to keep track of that center stitch. So now that we're not doing that increase, the number of stitches that you have will remain the same. And you're going to work even through row 49. At row 50, we will start our decreases.